For this problem, we're being asked to write the equation for the inverse of this function. So really there are two steps to finding the inverse of any function, and step one is switch x and y. Whoops. And then step two is solve for y. Okay, so let's do those two steps. So first we will switch x and y. So that will give us x is equal to inverse cosine of y minus pi. Now we need to solve for y. So look, just off to the side real quick, understand this. If I have the cosine of, let's say, p is equal to q, then that means that p is equal to the inverse cosine of q. Alright, that's how this works. But this is a two-way street. So if I told you that p is equal to the inverse cosine of q, then you would know that cosine p is equal to q. All right, it goes both ways. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So if x equals the inverse cosine of y minus pi, that means that the cosine of x must equal y minus pi. So step two is that we're solving for y. So that took me one step closer. Now to finish it off, I need to add pi to both sides because that will get y by itself. So that will give me cosine of x plus pi is equal to y. So now I'm just going to look up and see which one of these answers matches what I just said. Okay, and it looks like I'm seeing it right here. This says pi plus cosine x, but that's the same thing as cosine x plus pi. So the answer is C.